Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Hotel Explorer. Today I am reviewing Hôtel Motel du Rocher. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in the Gaspésie region in Madeleine-Center, this hotel motel features access to a private beach. All guest rooms offer a view of the St. Lawrence River. A flat-screen cable TV is standard in the rooms at Hôtel Motel du Rocher. A coffee machine is also provided. The on-site restaurant at Motel Hôtel du Rocher serves local cuisine. This hotel is located midway between Gaspésie National Park and Forillon National Park. There are multiple fishing spots in the area, including the salmon fishway at Grand Saut, 1.2 miles away. The Appalachian Trail is 0.6 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.